Well, I'm back again in my favorite place in all of Italy.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
After spending our first 3 days in Italy spent in Rome, we were really looking forward to heading to Abruzzo in the Italian countryside. The views of the rolling hills when you first enter Abruzzo still get me every single time. Lucky for us on this trip, we had abnormally hot weather, over 30 degrees in October. October is a very special time of the year in Abruzzo. When the temperatures start to drop in Abruzzo and fall rolls around, this is when you'll start to see the olive harvesting happening all over the valleys of Abruzzo, where they make some of the world's best olive oils. It turns out that if you just show up to a random olive oil production facility with a camera, they let you film it. So we were able to get into one of these local olive production facilities, and it was amazing to see how intricate and actually complicated this production process is to making some of the olive oils. Probably the best part about Italian culture has to be their cuisine. The majority of the food that you eat in Italy will have been cultivated no more than a few kilometers away of where you're eating, and you can really taste the difference. Sometimes you can go to the most hole-in-the-wall restaurants and be blown away by how good the food is, but this is not one of those times. Is there anything more Italian than going to the only place that's open on a Sunday afternoon, and it turns out that it's a Michelin star restaurant? I have to be honest with you guys, this was way outside my wheelhouse, and probably 95% of what I was eating I actually had no clue what it was. But I do have to say that for someone who doesn't love fish like myself, the fish was actually absolutely excellent here. So here goes nothing. Oysters are not my favorite, but this is we're at a good place, so yeah. I got it. Good. Actually the best I've had. Of course, we had to finish off our meals with one of my favorite foods, fried calamari. Every region of Italy has their own famous dishes, and the one that really sticks out to me has to be arrosticini. You'll only be able to find it in the Abruzzo region. We've tried to make it back home in Canada quite a few times, and it has never tasted as good as back in Italy. Some of my favorite days in Italy are spent cooking up these arrosticinis on the barbecue, having a really good glass of wine for dinner, and watching the sun set over the Gran Sasso mountain.
Nessuno si può staccare dal gruppo, nessuno può rimanere indietro, dobbiamo toccare.
With our trip coming to an end, There was one more place that we needed to see before we left. We found this pretty epic spot to have our lunch break and to finish off the hike. If you enjoyed this video of my adventures in Abruzzo, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next one guys, take care.